Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy Trapanese Rockstar here. As you can tell, I have a very big package with me. This is a package that was sent to me from MAXIRON, and it is a portable power station, and we're going to be doing a quick review on it today. Shout out to MAXIRON. We're going to get into the details in a bit, but first let's unbox this huge package that I got beside me and see what's inside. Let's check it out.
A few moments later.
Just like that. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. And the first look you get when you receive this power station is this nice, clean, matte black finished box at the very tip of the packaging box.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is the official box when you unbox it right here from the packaging. And it comes in this beautiful bright orange and matte black finish right here to complement the logo MAXIRON, as you can see it right there. This is the front of the box, as you can see. It's really nice, it's beautiful, it's a little bit heavy, but it does look nice and deep. And on the side of the box we have all of the product details. So it tells you about the wireless output right here. There's an LED light right there, so in case you wanted to light up at night, or if you're in a dark place and you need the LED light to shine and show you whatever you gotta see, it's right there. Next, we have a Type-C input/output. So if you have a Type-C charger, for example, if you're using the latest iPhone or any other phone which has a Type-C output cord or cable, then you can use that to charge it right there. Next, we have a USB QC3 0.0 output right there, which is basically a standard USB output. This can be used to charge basically any other older type of phone, gadget, power bank, computer, if you will. Anything that is USB QC 3.0 output, you can plug it in, and this bad boy is going to charge it real good for you. Next up, we have the standard DC input right there. We have a solar input because this is actually a solar powered power station too. So if you're out in the sun and you have nowhere to charge it, you can use the sunlight up in the sky to charge this bad boy. And that's what is so convenient and useful about it. Next up, we have 2 cooling fans in the back right here. There's one here, there's one here. We're gonna look at it in a second when we open it up. And another LED light in the back of the power station. So now that we've gone through all of the product details and pretty much everything about it, we are gonna open it up and check it out and see what it's about. Okay, so the first thing you see when you open the box is another slightly smaller box, which I don't know what is inside it, but we're about to check it out together. So I'm gonna put the big box down to the side and we're gonna go through this right here. And it comes with a little instruction manual right underneath, right here. And I think this is basically just giving you a quick rundown of like everything that you need to know about the MAXIRON power station. I'm gonna put this down real quick because it's heavy and it's hurting my legs. Alright, so we're gonna have a quick look through the instruction manual. I'll let you guys know what it's basically talking about from top to bottom. Yeah, basically a standard instruction manual gives you all of the warnings and notes about the power station, things you should do and shouldn't do, and it folds out real nice. It's basically a double-sided 3-page instruction manual. It's pretty straightforward. Questions, all of the standard questions that you need to know or that you might have about this thing. For example, can you take it on a plane? My device in the product rated output power range but cannot be used. Such and such kind of questions. All of the questions and queries you have about this product are all in this instruction manual. So it's very convenient. Don't lose this and don't throw it away. And on the back side, it basically tells you all of the basic information about the outputs, the battery, the solar inputting, all of that good stuff. It is all right here on this page here. Anything that you need to do, as well as the warranty and the contact details, which are all listed right here. Next up, we are going to go through this small little box right here that comes on top of the actual power station itself and see what's actually in here. So let's check that out real quick. So first off, we have a standard charger, and this is the charger that you will be using to charge the MAXIRON portable charger itself. So this is the charger for the power station, and it's pretty small, it's quite handy, it's quite hefty, and it is very easy to carry. It's quite portable, so I like this a lot. It's not too long, it's not too short, it's just right to actually charge the power station if you need to, or if you don't have access to solar power. So that is the charger right here. Next up in this little box, we have another little box that comes in white this time. It's this beautiful white matte finish that they packaged it in, and inside we seem to have a, let's check this out. I think this is the extension cord for the rest of the charger. So this goes right in here, and this is the actual plug-in port to charge the power station itself. And this is brand new. It's quite hefty, it's quite heavy, it's quite big, but it's got this beautiful, nice lined up design right there to make it look nice, clean, and crisp. And I think it looks good. There's a small little light in the corner right here, which you can see, and I think that lights up when you charge the power station as well. I guess we will find out once we turn it on. But yeah, that is all for the little boxes that come on top of the actual power station. Now we can get onto the actual power station. Let's see what's up. So next up, I'm gonna try and package this in a way which all of you can see. We have this white wrapping right here. Take that off. And inside is the actual power station itself. I'm gonna try to show this to you guys without having it fall over. As you can see, it's quite big. This can pretty much charge all of your devices and all of your needs and more, and still have plenty of battery left if it is fully charged. You can literally take this camping for weeks and it will not run out of battery as long as you use it correctly, and as long as you have solar power available anywhere around you. So as long as there's sunlight, this will always provide light, battery, and charge all of your devices, all of your necessities for you. Anyway, let's get straight to it. Let's open this up. And there you have it, guys. Sorry, this is the back side right here, but it has the MAXIRON logo right there. And it is engraved in the back. It's not painted on, it's not cheap. It's very good quality. You can tell by the feel of it. These are the two cooling fans as they stated in the instruction manual right there. Here's the LED light that they stated, and this is the back side of it. It has two handles on the side right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I'm pretty sure this is the wireless charging port, so if you put your phone right there, it will charge wirelessly from the top. And it has two handles, so it's easy to carry. It's a little bit hefty, a little bit heavy, but it is nothing too crazy. I would say a 12-year-old kid could hold this and carry this with both hands with no problem. So it's not extremely heavy, but it is extremely convenient. Next, we're gonna go up to the front side right here. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown, and I'm gonna see if it has enough battery to actually turn on right now. Yep, there we go. It's actually on. It's turned on. As you can tell, it shows you the battery percentage that it's got left, how many watts it can charge at, and these are all of the charging ports and the USB ports which were stated in the instruction manual, which you can use to charge. Right here in these imports, I'm pretty sure these look like something to be some other form of charging port which charges at 12 watts. I'm not 100% sure what they are, but they look like two extended charging ports. They also look like the input part for the actual charger itself because they look very similar. And yeah, then again, shows you the power right here, all of the ports that you need. LED light, There you go. So if you tap and you hold on the LED light, it turns on after a couple of seconds. So you can turn this on at night if you need light. If you don't need it, just tap and hold and it turns back off. I'm gonna try that again. So if you tap multiple times, it actually adjusts the light of the LED light. So if you want it brighter, if you want it to flash, if you want it static like this, or if you want it back off, all you have to do is tap this button right here to adjust the LED lights right there. And that is pretty much it for this product, guys. I would 10 out of 10 highly recommend this. Shout out to MAXIRON for this portable, basically huge power bank, which you can use to charge anything. This will fully charge your laptop, your phone, your friend's phone, your iPad, your friend's iPad, your girlfriend's iPad, your wife or husband's iPad, anybody's iPad, including all of their other cellular devices as well, and still have plenty of battery left to use. So I really highly recommend this product right here. Shout out to MAXIRON for sending me this product. I really like it. I'll really enjoy this, and I will be taking this on the road for sure whenever I need to use it. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's product. I hope you like this video, and let me know what other products you guys want me to review in the future.